Ya ka lekmen les ngobha bajing shot wangala dance happening jong ka jadbin riu garu lapan kutno mentagas ni. Ka wangala dance ka jing shot bapindon kam ya kishi spatli kiksing lapan long man la ka snem ha ka por senrai ka por habala deblut katung katep bad ban pin kan mau ya ka jing sngungu ya ublay sngi. Ya kanika singi ka bakut jong kanika jing shot lapan ipu iping da umintri rang baka Meghalaya konrad ki sangma ki mentri ka jilla bat kiwei ki kan rem ki lindan bat he sarkar.
Taloya Tribal Research Institute ko Tharian Baksa Jaya Tribal Research Institute to Plak Jatrang ni research rang ko program ko tsinga matkin Yano Garo Hills na ba Chikrang na ba section dongin In the Garo Hills region of Manigaban Aro Garo Hills so ya Tribal Research Institute to Manigaban Tentang mansa ya heritage village ko develop kat nama no de Nambat ken ane chan chie angad alon ismana parak na skenga chinga new development bank ni true NDB ni true achni tourism ko develop katna Meghalaya state kambakon chinga crore chas ni project ko matna ha sanction jo ya crore chas ni oni ya biapna chinga design rang ko tharing jok architect rang aro building rang ko kambak ko chinga tharimang rkemang total crore kengko chinga sanction ka ahaina aro crore kengchi chinga building na kor kemang committee ni member ang nan chinga pakwat ke ni ko chalaina onegaman 10 crores through NDP project ko ba chinga ya Garo Heritage Village na propose ka emang sanction ka achok design rang ko final ka inga haida tender rang ko chinga daw ya December January jani ki chepon atken aro haida kham rang ko ba ma na du pette chinga mukhang bulchi December nas kangan chinga.
Hambe tuan itu berangina. They are comparing the compatibility of their height.
Yeah, I am here today in the Garo Heritage Village to witness the closing ceremony of the Wangala Festival. And on this auspicious occasion, I would like to greet all our citizens of the state and particularly our citizens from Garo Hills. This is a very, very important part of the Garo culture, and it is only through festivals like these that we can actually preserve our culture. So therefore, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee for doing this, and from our government side also, we are there to support, not just here but throughout the state. We would want to support different festivals that portray our culture, and we would also like to preserve and promote them. Thank you very much.